Create a 10 minutes video for YouTube about. This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Electric vehicles and the transformation of urban mobility by 2025. The automotive world is undergoing a revolutionary change, and electric vehicles, EVs, are leading the way. As we approach 2025, cities around the world will experience significant shifts in how transportation works, driven by the rise of electric mobility. From sustainability to advanced technologies, EVs are not only transforming the car industry but also reshaping the fabric of urban life. In this video, we'll explore how electric vehicles are changing urban mobility, the challenges ahead, and the benefits these cars bring to cities and their residents. The evolution of electric vehicles. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Electric vehicles have come a long way in the past few years, with significant advances in technology, performance, and affordability. Early beginnings. EVs have been around for more than a century, but only recently have they gained mainstream attention. The development of better battery technology, electric motors, and more efficient charging infrastructure has made EVs more practical for everyday use. Performance. Once considered slow and impractical, modern EVs now offer incredible acceleration, long-range capabilities, and top speeds that rival traditional gasoline-powered cars. For instance, Tesla's Model S offers 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. Mainstream adoption. With automakers like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet offering more affordable electric options, and many other automakers entering the market, EVs are increasingly becoming an integral part of urban life. As electric technology improves, EVs are making their way into mainstream markets, offering luxury, performance, and sustainability in one package. 2. The environmental impact of electric vehicles. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. One of the most compelling reasons for the shift towards electric vehicles is their environmental benefits. Zero emissions. Unlike traditional cars, EVs produce no tailpipe emissions, which significantly reduces harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides. Reduced carbon footprint. Even when accounting for electricity generation, EVs have a lower carbon footprint compared to gasoline-powered cars. As the world moves toward renewable energy sources, the environmental impact of EVs will continue to shrink. Sustainability. Automakers are incorporating sustainable materials into the production of EVs, from recycled plastics in the interior to eco-friendly paint coatings, making these vehicles not only clean to operate, but also more sustainable in terms of production. By switching to electric power, we can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to a greener future. How EVs will transform urban mobility. As cities continue to grow and populations increase, EVs are poised to revolutionize urban transportation. Cleaner air. With no tailpipe emissions, EVs contribute to cleaner air in cities, helping to reduce smog and improve overall public health. Smart cities. The rise of autonomous vehicles and smart charging infrastructure will integrate electric cars into the digital framework of smart cities. These cities will optimize traffic flow, energy use, and even parking with the help of connected EVs. Shared mobility. As ride-sharing services increasingly adopt electric vehicles, shared mobility will become even more sustainable. People will be able to hail a luxury EV or electric shuttle for their daily commute, reducing the need for personal car ownership. Public transportation. Cities are already introducing electric buses and e-scooters as part of their public transportation systems, helping reduce the number of gasoline-powered vehicles on the road. Electric vehicles will lead to smarter, cleaner, and more efficient urban mobility. 4. The role of charging infrastructure. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. A major factor in the adoption of electric vehicles is the availability of charging infrastructure. Home charging. Most EV owners can install a home charging station, allowing them to charge overnight and start the day with a full battery. Public charging networks. As the number of EVs on the road increases, the need for fast charging networks will grow. Companies like Tesla have established supercharger stations that allow drivers to charge their cars in 30 minutes or less. Wireless charging. Emerging technologies such as inductive charging or wireless charging could eliminate the need for traditional charging plugs, further improving convenience for drivers. Grid integration. Advanced vehicle-to-grid (V2G) technology will allow electric vehicles to feed excess energy back into the grid, contributing to energy management and reducing pressure on local power grids during peak hours. With a growing network of charging stations and new technologies, the convenience of owning an EV will continue to improve. Cost considerations for EVs. While the benefits of EVs are clear, it's important to consider the cost and how they compare to traditional vehicles. Lower operating costs. EVs are generally cheaper to maintain than gas-powered cars, as they have fewer moving parts and don't require oil changes. Electricity is also typically less expensive than gasoline, leading to lower fueling costs over time. Initial purchase price. While the upfront cost of EVs is still higher than traditional vehicles, tax incentives, rebates, and lower lifetime costs are helping to make EVs more accessible to a broader market. Resale value. As demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, their resale value will also increase. EVs are expected to hold their value longer than conventional vehicles as more drivers make the switch to electric. The initial price of EVs may be higher, but the overall cost of ownership, especially in terms of maintenance and fueling, is often much lower. Challenges to EV adoption. While the future looks bright for electric vehicles, there are still several challenges to overcome. Battery technology. Although battery technology has improved significantly, battery capacity and charging time remain key areas for improvement. Batteries must become more affordable, efficient, and capable of offering longer ranges to appeal to a broader consumer base. Public perception. Some consumers are still hesitant to make the switch to electric vehicles due to range anxiety or concerns about the availability of charging stations. Increased education and awareness will be essential to overcoming these barriers. Raw materials and recycling. The production of EV batteries relies on materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which raises questions about resource availability and supply chains. Additionally, battery recycling must become more efficient to ensure sustainable growth. While these challenges may slow the widespread adoption of EVs, continued advancements in technology and infrastructure will make these obstacles more manageable. The future of electric vehicles by 2025. Looking ahead, the future of electric vehicles is filled with exciting possibilities. By 2025, we could see the rise of fully autonomous electric vehicles. These cars would be able to drive themselves without any human intervention, creating a more convenient and efficient transportation system. Urban mobility solutions, electric bikes, e-scooters, and electric shuttles will become common solutions for short-distance urban travel, complementing traditional public transport and offering flexible, on-demand transportation options. Shared electric fleets. As ride-hailing services expand, we can expect to see a rise in electric vehicle fleets available for shared use, significantly reducing car ownership rates and lowering overall emissions in cities. By 2025, electric vehicles will not only be common on the streets, but will also be a core component of urban mobility solutions, helping cities achieve their sustainability goals. In conclusion, electric vehicles are poised to revolutionize urban mobility by 2025. With advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and smart city initiatives, EVs will become more accessible and convenient than ever. They will not only reduce air pollution but also make cities smarter and more connected. As consumers continue to embrace the environmental and economic benefits of EVs, the future of urban mobility will be cleaner, greener, and more efficient than ever before. The road ahead is electric, and by 2025, electric vehicles will be at the heart of a greener, more sustainable future for all. Would you like to dive deeper into how EV? This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Electric vehicles and the transformation of urban mobility by 2025.